Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see what is function. So before this video you may know about the Cartesian product and relation. So in this video we are going to discuss about what is function. See here we are going to see function. So if a relation we can define the relation f from a to b. If a relation, this is a relation, if it is a function, if a relation f from a to b is said to be a function, then there are a lot of way we can write this sentence. So the simple way, if then it is a function, then every element of the set A has unique image in B. In the textbook they may have given like, then there exists x belongs to A has unique image in y belongs to B, like that they may have given. So if we want to write exactly what we have given, what they have given in the textbook, we can write. Or if we want to understand the concept, after understanding the concept we have to write by our own words. So this is one of the way that we can write the definition. See here, 1 2 3 4 5, this is set A, and set B, this is set B, 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 and so on. So here this is a relation. If we find the Cartesian product of these two sets A cross B, 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8, then 1, 10, 1, 12, 1, 14, then 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6, 1, 8, 1, 10, 1, 12, 1, 14, then for 2, 2, 2, 2, 4 and so on, we can write up to 5, 14. So similarly we can write for 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, 4, 4, 4, 6, then 5, 2, 5, 4 up to 5, 14 we can write. This is Cartesian product. Okay, this is Cartesian product A cross B. Okay, and the relation here, the relation F. Relation F is given like this: 1, 2, 2, 4, then 3, 6, 4, 8, 5, 10. This is the relation given here. Okay, we have to check whether the given relation is function or not. இப்போ பாருங்கள், இது ரிலேஷன்னு கேட்டால் இட் இஸ் எ ரிலேஷன் பிகாஸ் 1,2 இங்கே இருக்குது. 2,4 டெஃபினெட்லி இட் வில் பி ஹியர். 2,4 3,6 அதுவும் இதில் இருக்கும். ஏன்னா 3,2 3,4 3,6 it will be here. 4,8 it will be there. 4,8. So all these elements of the relation will be there in the A cross B. So hence it is a relation. Okay, now we have to check whether this given relation is a function or not. இப்போ நமக்கு ஃபங்க்ஷன்னா என்ன டெஃபினிஷன்? A relation f from A to B is said to be a function, then every element of A has unique image in B. Every element of A have unique image in B. So now look at this every element of A. Look at this every element of A. 1. It has unique image. It has unique means only one. Only one. Okay. A க்கு எத்தனை இமேஜ் இருக்கு? A has only one image which is 2. 2 க்கு எத்தனை? 4 only one image. 3 only one image. 4 only one image. 5 only one image. So every element of A has unique image in B. This is the key sentence. Every element of A has unique image in B. This is the key sentence of function. இந்த சென்டென்ஸ் தான் கீ சென்டென்ஸ். இதை வச்சு தான் நம்ம ஃபங்க்ஷனவே செக் பண்ணணும். ஸோ when you write the definition, this is the key sentence, it should be there in the definition. So 1, every element of A, Aல இருக்க ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டுக்கும் every element which means all the elements, எல்லா எலமெண்ட்ஸும். இப்போ ஒரு வேளை இங்கே 6 சும்மா இருக்குன்னா it is not a function because 6 does not have any image in B, so it is not a function. But now every element of A has unique image, which means every element of A has only one image. 1 has only one image. 2 has only one image. Suppose if it is like this, 3 has 2 images, 6 and 8, so it is not a function. So Aல இருக்க ஒவ்வொரு எலமெண்ட்டுக்கும் Bல ஒரு தனி ஒரே ஒரு இமேஜ் இருக்கும். அப்படி இருந்துச்சுன்னா such a relation are called function. Okay, so இது கார்ட்டீசியன் ப்ராடக்ட், இது ரிலேஷன். இங்கே என்ன டெஃபனிஷன் ரிலேஷனுக்கு கொடுத்துருக்காங்க அப்படின்னா, இங்கே பாருங்கள், ரிலேஷனுக்கு நம்ம ஏற்கனவே படிச்சிருக்கோம். ரிலேஷன்னா f from A to B is said to be, or from A to B is said to be a relation, then every element of the relation ordered by x, y belongs to A cross B. ஸோ இது வந்து சப்செட்டாக இருக்கணும். R is a subset of A cross B. இப்படி வந்துச்சுன்னா R is a relation. ஓகே, or F is relation. ஓகே, ஸோ இது ரிலேஷன். இந்த ரிலேஷனை ஃபங்க்ஷனாக செக் பண்ணணும் அப்படின்னா we have to draw the arrow diagram, then we have to see the domain. If every element of the domain has unique image in the codomain, then it is called function. Okay, clear?